Hello friends, I am Ramneet Rathod from Trueview. Today we are going to see the interactive panel hardware features, inbuilt features, TrueBoard.ai, which is a new innovation by Trueview, and also the use cases of the panel, like how we can utilize this in office, how we can use this for education, and how we can also use the panel as home use. Let's see the hardware feature of the panel. Trueview panel come with 4mm 9H toughened glass. It comes with Android 14 with 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. It also comes with easy access ports like C-type, USB, HDMI and more. It comes with magnetic pen holder, 20-watt stereo speakers, 450 nits of brightness. Please refer the data sheet of the product. Now let's see TrueBoard.ai, an innovation done in the education sector of India. So here we can create our lecture. We have AI pen here. If suppose I want to teach some topic, I will just write the name of the topic and just wait for the 2 seconds where the AI will start giving me information related to that word. It will start giving by giving some of the images which are there in the system, and I can utilize those images for the teaching. I can allow the deep AI on search, where AI will now give me a definition or a brief information related to that particular topic. So the brain is a complex organ. You can see that we already got this information. I can put this information on the canvas. I can get this information in multiple Indian languages. So I'll just copy this. I can adjust my board accordingly with the information. So suppose I want to use this information here, and I will just design my canvas. Now where the AI is actually working with us, and it will start giving us the more relevant information, like if I want to have a realistic diagrammatic images. So here if I just click on the image, so the visual content related to that particular topic I'll get here. So if I want to have some realistic images or the diagrammatical images, I can simply click the image and I can utilize those images over here. Okay. Then apart from this, more relevant, like if I want to have ad-free YouTube videos. So if I just click, so I'll get all YouTube videos which are ad-free related to that particular topic. In the digital library section, we will be getting the content videos, where we will get the entire content detail of the particular search word by the AI. We have simulations at the place. So here we have thousands of simulations and games which we can utilize. 3D object and the 3D models. So we have thousands plus 3D object and 10,000 plus 3D models available. So if I want to utilize any of the 3D model or 3D object, I can simply utilize, and I can use this for better teaching methods. So now I can simply move and I can utilize the 3D object. Then if I want to have more relevant information related to that, I can go for the question answer session, wherein the topic name is already there. I can select the section which I want for the demonstration. I can make the Bloom's taxonomy level, that under which level I want to have the questions to be generated. I can choose the number of questions which are there, and I'll simply generate. So within few seconds, the system AI of Trueview will give you the related question, and you can use this for your classroom. So the main organ and the human nervous system. So here you'll get the options. I can reveal the answer also. So likewise, I can utilize all the questions which are present here. So now you can see in the Q&A section, we got the question and the answer. We can reveal the answer, or we can hide the answer here, and we can, if I want, we can put it on the canvas. So this is how the AI has generated the question related to that particular topic. If I move further, so in AI Intelligence Suite, we can have a brainstorming related topics, advanced examples, More, we can have the ranking. If I place the question paper, we can have the ranking, fill in the blanks, assessments. So all the stuff related to that particular topic in a single mode. So where we started with just writing the single word brain, and we got the simple images, then we got the content, we got the 3D models, we got the digital content, we got the YouTube ad-free videos, then we got the question answers. So this is how the AI can work, by simply writing with one language. So now you can see in the Q&A section, we got the question and the answer. We can reveal the answer, or we can hide the answer here, and we can, if I want, we can put it on the canvas. So this is how the AI has generated the question related to that particular topic. If I move further, so in AI Intelligence Suite, we can have a brainstorming related topics, advanced examples. More, we can have the ranking. If I place the question paper, we can have the ranking, fill in the blanks, assessments. So all the stuff related to that particular topic in a single mode. Now we will see another feature of the AI, that is OCR. So if you want to teach something and you have just write that particular word, so OCR will convert that word into a proper text. Now I can simply start the search of the content related to that particular word. So the AI will start searching and will give me the related information, like it started with this. Again, if I just click on the content part, I will be getting images, YouTube videos. So entirely you can utilize by using the OCR feature. We have another option of Math Solver. So let's see, I have selected the Math Solver pen. Suppose if I am writing here 2 plus 5x is equal to 30. Okay, so now if I go on the AI, so AI is giving me the entire value of x, which I can directly place it on the canvas, and now I can see the steps how this is done. So you can see that 5x is equal to this 28, now this, and now by solving I receive this answer. Another way is that for math solving we can use the basic arithmetics, like if I want to have the square root of 25 is equal to how much. So within 2 seconds the AI will give me the corrective answer. If I want to have the entire explanation and elaboration of this, we can have the entire explanation and elaboration. Here you will find the entire understanding of the square root and how this is being utilized. Here if I again click on the content part, so content video, I'll get the YouTube videos and the other related stuff related to the particular concept, that is square root. Now we will see the option of shape recognition. So suppose if I want to draw a particular shape, so AI is giving me the corrective shape. So this way you can utilize, I can use the option to rotate. Okay, I can use the option to fill with other colors. So we can utilize the option of shape correction. Now we will see some other features of the Trueboard.ai panel. So here we have given you the place where you can place your own content. NCERT's content is provided. So here you just need to select the grade, okay, and you can simply use the NCERT's content. Subject wise we have given the grades. Another good and interesting point is that AI also analyze the PDF which you insert. Like if I want to insert a PDF and now this is arithmetic expression, so So I will simply select this and I will allow the AI to analyze this PDF for us. So let's see how the image analyzer AI works. So this is really good, where a teacher can be getting support of this. Here now you can see that it has given me the entire summary and explanation related to arithmetic information. If I want to have some content, I can simply go and get the content related to arithmetic expression also. So this is the best way, where your NCERT's content which is available, so you can get the AI working about that. Another good advantage we have is, apart from the NCERT's content, if you are using any of the publication and you want to insert your books, so you can simply go to my books and you can upload your content here and you can get advantage or make your own internal library for better teaching. Truebot.ai comes with 1000 plus STEM videos, 3500 plus simulations and games, and 30,000 plus 3D models. So if I want to have any simulation, I can simply go and utilize the simulations over here and we can use the simulations over here. Or if I want to have the diagrams, so I can simply go and search the diagrams, 3D models. Now let's see more feature of Truebot.ai. So here we have given a lot of maths tools. So if I want to utilize some maths tools, like I want to have an angle of 90 degrees, so you can just click on the angle, you'll get the angle, arch or the sector. So you can utilize this. Then apart from this, there are other tools which you can utilize. Is like, suppose if I want to have a table of 4x4, so I have just added the table. I can simply select the pen, and these are auto adjustable cell. So if I want to write some topic name, so you can see that it is auto adjusting the topic. Okay, so here I can simply write and you can see that it is auto adjusting, cells are there. Then we have other tools, maths tools related. Okay, we have the 3D objects and the 3D model. So if I want to select any 3D model, I can simply select. So we'll see the most important feature of Truebot.ai. So here it is not only the one AI which has been used, there are multiple AI we are utilizing. Like we have the activity. Another good part is that the simulations which we have provided as a content, if a teacher feel like that he or she wants to make their own simulations, so we have AI simulator as a AI we have provided. So we have analyzer, brainstorming, decoding, explanation, grade me, where you can simply put a answer sheet and you'll get the entire grading done automatically. We have the essay writer. We have the own chatbot. So we'll see one example of the essay writer. Here, suppose if I want to have an essay of grade 6, under which essay type, narrative, descriptive. So like this, I'm just selecting the descriptive, how many word essay we want. So I'm just selecting 500 words, and now you can simply give the topic. I am giving the topic name India. Okay, and I'll just put this command to the AI. So let's see that within few seconds, if AI is able to generate all the content related to 500 words for the particular word India. So here you can see that India is a vast and beautiful country. So entire essay is ready in 500 words, which I can directly put on my canvas. I can change the language. I can translate it to the another languages as well. So here we have the AI which is being worked smoothly. So you can see the list of AI which we are providing here. So these many AI are provided, where we can have a question paper generator, we can have a lesson planner. So all this AI is clubbed with actual name Truebot.ai. Now we will see that how Truebot.ai can make the classroom very engaging and interesting with some of the features we have here. So I have here grouping. So instead of teacher being biased, I can split the screen into multiple. Then I can utilize the option of picking up the students from a particular range. So I have suppose 30 students, 1 to 30. I'll pick 2 and I'll simply start. So it is giving me random roll numbers where I can pick and put it, or I can ask a question, or I can make a quiz kind of thing. Then we have a team score. So if I'm generating a team, suppose if I'm making a team of two groups in a classroom, So what is the team A and team B beginning score? So I can simply start this. Here you can see that if I want to increase the score, I have increased the team B score to 2. So you can simply ask the questions, or you can have a test and you can see the group wise. So this is a very interesting way of engaging the classroom along with Truebot.ai. So it is important to have a chatbot. So here we have given the AI bot where you can simply ask the question to the AI bot and you'll get the answer. I'm just writing a single word over here, atom, and I'm just putting it in the chatbot. Let's see what the AI is thinking. Atom is a basic unit of matter that defines. So you can now repeatedly ask the question and you'll get the entire chatbot along with the Truebot.ai. So from the beginning of my presentation, I am using this grid of black color, but Truebot.ai allows you to have multiple grids and multiple background options. Like you can have a line grid, you can have the gaming grid, you can have images if you want, you can have the geographical maps. Like suppose if I want to have a defined India map, so I can put it on the current slide, and now you can see that I have a India sketch ready. So I can simply use the pen, and if I want to highlight some particular ports or some particular regions, so I can simply utilize this as a background. So you can have the multiple color background with multiple options of utilizing the background with geographical images, grids or games. Truebot.ai being the Indian brand for education, here the chatbot and the AI can be changed to the Indian language. Let's see few of the Indian language. We have altogether 194 languages in the AI. We'll see that these are the basic settings where you can default your settings of this entire board. We have lot of language. If I want to examine few of the language, like suppose if I want to check with, we have Marathi, we have Gujarati, so here you can check I have Malayalam. So likewise you'll get almost all regional languages working with Truebot.ai. So in the video we have seen that how the Truebot.ai can help the educator defining a better education with digitalization in the classroom. So with the help of Truebot.ai, we have a math solver, we have seen the regional languages utilizing in the panel. We have the content of NCERT, how we can insert our own content with the AI, how the chatbot is helping the educator, and the other tools for making your classroom teaching fun and an easy, engaging method with the help of Truebot.ai. Now let's see few of the inbuilt features of Trueview AIO. Trueview AIO allows you to connect the device seamlessly with smooth connectivity utilizing an application. Here we can connect device like iOS, Android, PC or Mac. We can establish a reverse connection with the device as well. The good part here is that if I am establishing a connection with this device, I can connect and see 4 devices simultaneously on the screen, which can make the educators ease in the classroom, and also we can utilize this as a wireless conferencing solution. So with the help of inbuilt feature of Truebot, you can utilize a better way of device connectivity with the reverse mirroring option available. Truebot.ai has 3,500 plus STEM videos. So we just need to go and select the video which we want to play. You can select from the standard or subject wise videos. Here you will find the content videos. We have also YouTube videos where you can search for more relevant content. So if you want to play any content, just click and you are ready with the
How do we control fire? Hello children, welcome back. In our first class, we have studied about combustion. During the combustion of a substance, a fire occurs by releasing enormous heat energy.
Truebot.ai has 30,000 plus 3D object and 1000 plus simulations and games. So if I go and want to play any simulation, I simply go and search for a particular simulations which I want. So here you can see we have all simulations, games. I can go for more videos and games here. So we have enough of the simulations for you to serve for the entire teaching. Moreover, we have here 3D objects. So 30,000 plus 3D objects Truebot.ai has already inbuilt. You just need to search for the particular topic. I'm just searching a particular word and we get a 3D model. So if you want to utilize any of the 3D models, we can simply click and we can utilize the 3D models. So this is a big advantage when we are teaching. So here you can see that I can use the entire 3D model. And if I want, I can highlight with the pen of any of the part which I want to explain.